Being in business means that you are selling to customers. However, customers do not buy products or services. Here is how to determine what your customers want. Customers buy solutions to their problems. Nobody ever buys anything without it having a purpose. Therefore, you must change your mindset to increase sales. Firstly, you need to work out if your product or service fixes the problems your customers have. If it does provide a solution, great. If not, then you need to find out the problems of your customers and provide them with a solution. Here is a quick exercise. Think back to the last item or service you purchased. I can guarantee you parted with your cash with the intention of it solving a problem. Everything I have mentioned so far is common knowledge. However, you will be surprised just how many business owners and sales professionals forget the fundamentals. Once you have determined that what you are offering is a solution, then you should start marketing your service and product to reflect this. The best ads and marketing campaigns I have seen are the ones which identify a problem and the solution. Do your ads do this? Check them. So there we have it. Remember what customers buy. You will never sell a service and product to anyone again. You will only ever sell a solution to their problem. If your answer does not fix their problem, then you will lose repeat customers, and it will be far harder for you to grow in business.
Subscribe now for the next video.